Today I have a Poundland haul for you guys. I popped into Poundland earlier on this morning. The main reasons why I popped in there is to get plates for the kid's grandmother, and because she was saying she doesn't live in the UK, and she was saying like, could you please send me some really nice plates, because she's renovating her home over there, so she wants some really nice plates. I think tomorrow I'm going into Wilko. Yeah, I'm going to get her some really nice mugs in Wilko tomorrow. I'm going to spend like £20 worth of just buying mugs for her. So I picked up this 12-piece set of dinner plates. And also these are £10. Oh gosh. By the way, I've sellotaped it like that because I tried to look inside to see how the plates look. Yeah, the box started to fall apart basically. I also got her another 12-piece set, different design plates. Let me get up. I also got her the Home Sweet Home set, and yeah, so these ones are floral, the floral ones, and then the Home Sweet Home set. I thought would be really nice for her. Before we move on to the next thing, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe for plenty more home decor, DIY, cleaning videos, a lot of, when I say home decor, a lot of home decor. Yesterday I popped into B&M, so there's homeware there, and I'm just showing you how to just make your home look really pretty and glam if that's your thing, or just really nice on a budget, using stuff from Poundland, B&M, not expensive, you guys. So subscribe if you're not subscribed for that. My son picked up a sand craft. I told him he can choose something from Poundland, and he loves the sand craft in Poundland. He got the cars, I think last time, I think in my vlog, I'll link my vlog up here, he got the sandcastle one. Yeah, and today when I went in, they restocked up with the sandcraft thing. It's really popular, you guys. Seriously popular. Beauty stuff. The first beauty I'm going to show you, I am so amazed. It was £1 in the checkout. Oh, let's say when I was scanning it, I was looking at the screen. I did not even look at when you drop it down. I looked at the screen. £1 Real Techniques Miracle Sculpting Sponge. £1. I haven't been to a Poundland like since maybe last week, so I think it's something that came in this week, because I don't think during the weekend everyone's gonna grab this, because it's Real Techniques, so amazing. Oh my goodness, I have another sponge. Got another really nice sponge. So excited about that. Also picked up some Derma V10. I want to go back to testing out beauty products. One of the things I've told myself is I need to stay consistent on things, and I feel like I've been very well ever since last year in staying consistent with things. So I'm going to stay consistent with these beauty hauls. Coconut sugar lip scrub and a collagen lip mask. So it's like 2-step lip kit for smoother looking pout. So the coconut lip scrub has with coconut oil and cocoa butter, helps to exfoliate and smooth your lips. That's the step 1 part. Yeah, you can see step 1. And then the collagen lip mask has hyaluronic acid, helps to soften and moisturize your lips. That's the step 2 part. So yeah, I'm going to try this out. I'm going to do a video where I'm going to try it out, and in a video coming really soon, I'm going to show you guys is it any good? Is it any good? And then I picked up some treats. I've got Smarties, which the children are already eating over there in their room. Kit Kat, which I got for myself. I was watching someone else I was watching Helen Anderson, and she was stuck in the car. She was in a queue in the recycling centre, and because it was like a long queue, she started munching on the food she just bought she did a food shop, and then she went to the recycling centre to drop off boxes. And I remember she was like, you know what, she started munching, and then she's like, you know what, I fancy a Kit Kat. And then I was like, I fancy a Kit Kat too. So I was like, tomorrow I need to get myself a Kit Kat. And then also my baby, he's turning 2 in April, but yeah, he's into cars. I also brought him some CBBS as well. That was on another day, but CBBS, the household toys. Yeah, I got him those. I can probably have like a sit down like educational sessions with him. Also Haribo strawberry softies. My little one was asking for this actually. But yeah, that was it for my Poundland haul. The star buys are the Real Techniques sponge and these plates, plate set. I mean, I was hoping if they could be like £5. I was thinking it would be £5, but it's fine. £10 is quite a lot, because usually with these plate sets they're usually about £20. Earlier this week I was seeing like a whole set for like £20, so I picked up a 24 set of dinner plates, which is actually really good. Yeah, I got a bargain there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. Take care of yourself.